Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. This is our current affairs session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the most important current affairs of 12th and 13th December 2020. It is very much helpful for all competitive examinations, so try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous three questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, who is appointed as the first chief executive officer of the WHO Foundation, World Health Organization Foundation? Options are Anil Soni, Sandeep Bakshi, Hemant Kumar, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Anil Soni. Okay, recently Anil Soni appointed as the first CEO of the WHO Foundation. Okay, this foundation is firstly launched, the WHO Foundation. Okay, our second question was, who has been named as the female world athlete of the year 2020? Yulimar Rojas, N Yadav, India Carmina, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A here, Yulimar Rojas. Yulimar Rojas recently named as the female world athlete of the year 2020. Okay, and I want to ask you one thing then, who is named as the male world athlete of the year 2020? Please answer in the comment section. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when UNICEF Day is observed? 10 December, 11 December, 12 December, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B here, 11 December. On 11 December every year UNICEF Day is celebrated. Do you know the abbreviation of the UNICEF? The abbreviation of the UNICEF is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Okay, and the headquarters of the UNICEF is situated in New York, USA. Okay, and executive director of the UNICEF is Henrietta H4. Okay, and another day also celebrate on 11 December, that is International Mountain Day. International Mountain Day. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has topped the 50 Asian celebrities in the world list 2020? Sonu Sood, Prabhas, Akshay Kumar, or option D, Amitabh Bachchan? The correct answer here is option A, Sonu Sood. Sonu Sood recently topped the 50 Asian celebrities in the world list 2020. Okay, you can see here the image and the ranking of the show Bollywood actors or the actors of the India. Okay, Sonu Sood is in various in the news in the time of the COVID-19 pandemic because of the help to the various person to reaching their own home. Okay, next question. Who has won 2020 Ramanujan Prize for Young Mathematics? Carolina Araujo, Shakuntala Devi, Deepak Kumar, or option D, none of these. The answer here is option A, Carolina Araujo. Recently, the Dr. Carolina Araujo won the 2020 Ramanujan Prize for Young Mathematics. Okay, and she was from Brazil. She was a very famous mathematician from Brazil. Okay, you can see here the image of Carolina Araujo. Okay, next question. ADB projects India's GDP to contract by how much percentage? -7%, -8%, -9%, or option D, -10%. ADB, Asian Development Bank. The answer here is -8%. So option B is correct here. Asian Development Bank recently projects the India's gross domestic product to contract by -8%. Okay, next question. Question number 5. To improve wireless connectivity, which scheme has been launched? E-Service, E-India, PM Wani, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is here. Can you guess the answer here? The answer here is option C, PM Wani. Recently, central government launched the historic step on the wireless connectivity, and the scheme is launched. Name is, remember, PM Wani. The abbreviation is Prime Minister's Wi-Fi Access Network Interface. Prime Minister Wi-Fi Access Network Interface is the abbreviation of PM Wani. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Nitin Gadkari has inaugurated 1.5 km long Koilwar Bridge. It is our which river? Narmada, Son, Tapti, or option D Mahanadi. In which river? It is in Son river. So option B is correct here. Recently, Nitin Gadkari, the Union Minister of the Road Transport and Highway, recently launched the inaugurated the 1.5 kilometer long Koilwar Bridge in Son river, and Son river is in Bihar. Okay. Next question. National Center for Divyang Empowerment inaugurated in which state? Odisha, Rajasthan, Sikkim, or option D Telangana? The correct answer here is option D Telangana. Okay, recently Union Minister of the States for Home Affairs G. Kishan Reddy recently inaugurated the National Center for Divyang Empowerment, NCDE, National Center for Divyang Empowerment, abbreviation of the NCDE. Okay, in Telangana near Hyderabad. Okay, you can see here the image here. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which event recently got the Olympics status by IOC? Breakdancing, chess, polo, or option D water polo? Which events? Very interesting fact. Option A is correct here. Breakdancing. Recently, breakdancing got the Olympic status by International Olympics Committee. Okay, remember the event breakdancing. You can see here the image. Okay, this question is very much important in exam perspective view. Okay, so learn this questions. Okay, next question. When International Universal Health Coverage Day is observed? 11 December, 12 December, 13 December, or option D 14 of December? In which date International Universal Health Coverage Day is observed? The answer here is 12 December. So option B is correct here. On 12 December every year, International Universal Health Coverage Day is observed. And the theme of our 2020 is Health for All, Protect Everyone. What? Health for All, Protect Everyone. Okay, you can see here the theme. Next question. Question number 10. Who has been named Times Person of the Year 2020? Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, option C both A and B, or option D none of these? The answer here is both A and B. Both the US President-elect Joe Biden and US Vice President-elect Kamala Harris recently named at the Times Magazine 2020 Person of the Year. Okay, Person of the Year. This question also very much important in as a exam perspective view. Okay. Next question. Who has launched world's first satellite-based narrow-band IoT network? BSNL, Jio, Airtel, or option D Vodafone? Which will be the correct answer here? The correct answer here is BSNL. Option A is correct here. So recently BSNL has partnered with Skylotech India, a global machine solutions company, to launch satellite-based narrowband Internet of Things. In short form, it is also written as NB-IoT. Okay. Narrowband Internet of Things. World's first satellite-based network. It is, remember, it is a world first satellite-based network. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who becomes India's first union territory to declare 100% organic? Andaman and Nicobar, Jammu and Kashmir, Lakshadweep, or option D Pondicherry? Which union territories? The answer here is option C here, Lakshadweep. Okay, recently Ministry of Agriculture, who has declared the first duty to declare by 100% organic. It is declared by, remember, Ministry of Agriculture. Okay, recently Ministry of Agriculture has declared Lakshadweep as India's first union territory to become 100% organic. 100% organic. Okay, Lakshadweep Island. Question number 13. Who has addressed International Bharati Festival 2020 virtually? As per you see the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi here. So the correct answer here is option B, Narendra Modi. Recently, Prime Minister Modi has addressed the International Bharati Festival 2020. Okay. Next question. Who has launched an initiative called EpiVax for developing countries? ADB, AIIB, World Bank, or option D, IMF? Who launched this? The answer here is the Manila-based Asian Development Bank. Recently, Manila-based ADB, Asian Development Bank, has launched an initiative called Asia Pacific Vaccine Access Facility. APVAX, the abbreviation is Asia Pacific Vaccine Access Facility. Okay, the bank has allocated about 9 billion USD, 9 billion US dollar, 9 billion US dollar for this scheme APVAX. It is for developing countries, helpful for. Okay, next question. Who has been won the Sports Person of the Year award on FICCI India Sports Award 2020? Bajrang Punia, Ilavenil Valerivan, Sania Mirza, or option D, both A and B? The correct answer here is both A and B. Bajrang Punia and Ilaneville Valerian. Recently, the Indian athletes Bajrang Punia and Ilaneville Valerian. Okay, Bajrang Punia belongs to which sports? Belongs to freestyle wrestling. Remember, Bajrang Punia is a very famous freestyle wrestler, and Ilaneville Valerian is famous for shooting. Okay, is related to shooting. You can see here the image of both Bajrang Punia and Ilaneville Valerian recently won the Sports Person of the Year award 2020. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, our first question is, remember, please try to answer in the comment section, thereby regular practice is done by you. Our first question is, World Economic Forum 2021 will be held in which country? Please try to answer in a comprehensive way. Please try to answer, if you write the country name, then the capital and the currency also, and the national sports also, thereby a very comprehensive practice is done by you. Okay, our second question is, which state recently launched its eco retreat program? Okay, please try to answer in the comment section. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related Facebook and WhatsApp social media group, thereby many students got help. Thank you. Have a great day.